No.
Hey guys, are you ready for our firework festival?
Yeah, it's going to be so much fun.
I agree with you, Amelia.
Fireworks and snacks. Check. Now let's test those fireworks.
Wow. Oh no, Whiskers ran away.
But he was so excited to see the pretty colors.
Do you think he didn't like them?
That's not possible. That firework was very pretty.
Maybe he's afraid of the dark like I were.
Now we just have to find him. We're very worried.
You guys look somewhere else and I will be finding in the rooms. Whiskers, are you there?
Where are you?
Come out whenever you are.
Let's think about what made him run away in the first place.
Maybe he's afraid of fire.
No, he loves when Savannah's older brother lights up candles. What could it have been?
When I was little, I didn't like loud noises. I would hide in the closet whenever there were thunderstorms.
Maybe Whiskers ran away from the loud firework.
That's a good guess. What made you come out of your hiding place, Savannah?
Lullabies. Whiskers loves lullabies. His favorite is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Ready?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Shh, Amelia, not so loud.
Oops, sorry, Avery.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Whiskers. Shh. Sorry.
Whiskers, we were looking for you. That's okay, but did you run away because of the loud boom?
Here, try these headphones. You're welcome, buddy.